I'm Steve Anstead with S&B Construction, and I'm the president of the company. I've been a Ditch Witch West customer for 3.5 years. S&B Construction is a general contractor and a C10 license. We do underground telecommunication, horizontal boring. I purchased 2 HX75 vac trailers, and I have a JT20 drill. When I started S&B Construction, I was getting into the telecom communication world. I started researching different horizontal drills and all the different accessories that I would need. I ended up going with Ditch Witch. I found that they were the best equipment on the market and most reliable through all my research. After purchasing my equipment and doing the online classes, I went out into the field, and my sales rep was fantastic. Came out to the site, he helped me set up my equipment, walked me through, showed me all the ins and outs, how to operate it in the field, not just in the classroom. Truly an outstanding representation of customer service. Ditch Witch West, in my opinion, has nailed it through and through. With the Ditch Witch product that I have not, knock on wood, I haven't broken down. It's been reliable for me. I've been drilling now for over a year and I've had 0 issues. I'm really looking forward to the next 3 years in growing my business with micro-trenching, having Ditch Witch West being involved step by step with me. It's been a fantastic 3 years prior through every single step. The customer service is untouched with what Kyle and Ditch Witch West has provided for my company and myself and my guys. One of the key things with the relationship that I've built with Ditch Witch West and Kyle, my main sales rep, is whenever I need a replacement part or anything, a drill head, I don't even ever have to ask him how much. I know I'm getting the best price and he's taking care of me and he sends me over the invoice. I've never had to second guess anything with it. S&B Construction is a mom and pop small business. We only have about 10, 12 employees, and we really pride ourselves on family. And as you can see in our logo, it says, "In God We Trust." Ditch Witch West, and in my true opinion, has been more like family to S&B Construction. Always being there, phone call away. If I need anything, or I forget a step, or we were lacking in material and we needed help, I've had my salesman run out and bring me bore gel because we forgot it. So, hats off to them.